Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial on Blender 2.8. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about bevel tool. Basically, bevel tool is used to make curvy edges or smoothing the edges of any object or shape. So let's get started. Select the default cube and press Tab to go to the edit mode. Do not forget to press the Tab button. Now press Ctrl plus B. I repeat, press Ctrl plus B to start beveling your object. Now move your cursor in and out so as to increase or decrease the bevel amount. Also move the roller of your mouse forward or backward to increase or decrease the level of division or simply the smoothness of the bevel, just as shown in this video. Now if you increase or decrease the size of the object before using the bevel tool, and when you implement the bevel tool, you will find irregular bevels as shown previously. So in order to overcome this problem, we will set the object scale to 1 locally by pressing Ctrl plus A and selecting scale from the menu that popped up. After that, we can use the bevel tool normally. Now if you want to use bevel to only a particular side, we only select the side and repeat the process mentioned above. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe Tech Potato for similar stuff.